Hey, this is Ajani Malik, fitness expert and health coach. So today I'm going to cover a topic about belly fat. So this is called 5 bad habits that causes belly fat. When you have an enlarged waistline, what happens? Your pants becomes extremely tight, so there becomes a girth problem as far as putting on your pants. And then 2, having a large waistline, large belly can also impact or destroy your confidence as well. So let's talk about the 5 bad habits. The first one is too much sugar. If you look at certain foods, and there's tons of foods out there that have too much sugar, if you look at things like breakfast cereals, energy drinks, some protein bars, juices, sodas, regular sodas, diet sodas, all of those things, plus a host of other things, contain too much sugar. Now, there's been a study to actually show sugar is actually more addictive than cocaine. So the first thing, which is a really bad habit, is that most people consume too much sugar. So you should be reading the ingredients on the labels whenever you are consuming drinks, especially, and also food items as well. The second bad habit is daily desserts. Many of us, we feel compelled to treat ourselves every single day when it comes to some form of sugary treat, such as ice cream, cake, pies. Those types of items should really be used or eaten only on special occasions. So you're going to try to eliminate all the sweet stuff such as ice cream, cakes, pies, pastries, donuts, all of those things, the daily desserts. Again, reduce them, eat them only on special occasions, birthdays, anniversaries, occasions like that. Bad habit number 3 is bad snacking. Eating crunchy items like potato chips, corn chips, too many nuts. Those are simple carbs. Also, they're very high in salt. Salt is a way of dehydrating your body. And also, again, you got too much sugar in crunchy items as well. So that's the third bad habit when it comes to causing belly fat around the waistline. Okay, so let's go to number 4. So number 4 is daily alcohol. What a lot of people do is, at the end of the day, they feel this need to treat themselves because they had a long day at work, maybe a stressful day, and they use alcohol as a buffer to feel better and to relax. So let me tell you what happens when you consume alcohol on a daily basis. The sugar intake. Every time you have a drink, your sugar spike increases, your body becomes dehydrated, and your body fat increases as well. So let's just say, for example, that you are drinking, let's say, 2 drinks per day. And for many people, that's kind of like on the low end. So Monday through Friday, that's 10 drinks in total. That's not including the weekends. And we know that weekends, people tend to indulge even more. So we're looking at maybe 15 drinks, all of that sugar increasing body fat, increasing your sugar level, and again, making you very dehydrated. So, and number 5, as far as 5 bad habits that increases belly fat, number 5 is exercise. The lack of exercise, I should say. If you have a job and you are sitting all day or most of the day, you're burning very low amount of calories. Your bones, your muscles are getting very weak, and your body fat is increasing, your belly fat is increasing. Let's rehash those 5 bad habits that causes belly fat. So number 1, we said too much sugar. Number 2, we said daily desserts. 3, bad snacking. Number 4, daily alcohol. The alcohol, again, like the desserts, really, if you're going to consume alcohol, should only be done on special occasions, okay? And then number 5 we said the lack of exercise. So those are the 5 bad habits that causes belly fat. If you want to looking to incorporate healthy habits into your lifestyle, decrease your body fat, become more conscious with the things that you eat, and become a role model to your kids as well, I'm offering a free Healthy Habit ebook. There's a link. All you need to do is click that link. You're going to get a free ebook which discusses how to incorporate healthy habits into your life. All you have to do, follow the ebook. It takes all of the thinking process from the game. All you have to do is follow it, and you will see big returns investing your time into my ebook. So click the link, get the free ebook. This is Ajani Malik, fitness expert and health coach.